To figure out this problem, you need to be familiar with the general equation of a sine function. You can see I've got it written out here. And what we're looking for is the maximum value of the function over one full cycle. So to find the maximum value, we need to know the vertical shift, which is the d value, and that's going to be really helpful because that helps us find the midline. And the other number we're going to want to pay attention to is our a value, and that's because a represents our amplitude. These are going to be very helpful to us because visually, when we have a sine function like this, if we take the midline there and add the amplitude, because remember the amplitude is the distance from the center of that midline up to the maximum, also the distance from the center down to the minimum. But yeah, to find our maximum, all we need to do is take that midline and add the amplitude. So taking a look at this example, we have a midline of 2,450. We add the amplitude, which is this value of 250, and that gets us an answer of 2,700. So that is the maximum value. And for part 2 of the question, it asks us to explain what this value represents. So by reading the question, we understand that our x value represents time, and our y value, or the function c of t, is representing the volume in milliliters present in someone's lungs. So the maximum amount would represent the max amount of air that a person's lungs can hold in milliliters. So we can summarize that in a sentence. You can see I've written out here that the maximum amount of air a person's lungs can hold is 2,700 milliliters. All right, that would be it for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.